Welcome back to Suncoast View. One good way to brighten our long summer evenings is with a beautiful fragrant candle. When Bia Antunes moved to the Suncoast, she brought her special candles with her, and now she makes them right here in the Rosemary District. And Bia joins us now to tell us all about it. Great to see you.
Thank you.
I wish you could smell the fragrance in the studio. There is such a difference when a candle has a high quality scent.
Yeah.
What is the difference? Why is this such a rich aroma?
The difference is the ingredients. So we use the highest quality fragrance oils in the market, and they are certified safe. And our wax is a soy blend that is also very high quality. So this combination with the wicks, the natural wicks, really throws scent into the air, fills the space, as you can tell just with these in this massive room, that you can always smell the candle. And the safety, right? That's important to have safe ingredients burning in your home.
Okay, talk to us a little bit about the safety. What part of a candle can be unsafe that you have made sure that we're not dealing with?
All of it can be unsafe. The fragrance oil can be unsafe, the wax, the quality of the wax can be unsafe, and the wicks.
Okay.
And the combination. So the three have to work together to have a high performance candle. So every scent we have uses a different wick, because the heavier oils, such as oils with vanilla, they're heavier, they need a stronger wick. Whereas oils with citrus are lighter, they need a softer wick. So if you mix that together, like a citrus with a strong wick, you might get a smoky candle, and you don't want a smoky candle.
Very interesting.
Yes.
We've done a fair amount of candle making, honestly, on the show, and I've never heard it explained before, and I'm not sure we've ever dealt with the different wicks. Yeah, that is certainly very interesting. I love that you know all the little nuances on this. Sustainability, I know, is a big part of your business, so explain how you're able to incorporate that, and then how we're going to work with it today.
Yeah, so when I was developing product, I looked into boxes. Most candles you buy today are in boxes, and those boxes are normally covered with ink, and that makes them non-recyclable. So those boxes end up in dumpsters, and they end up polluting. So when I developed the candles, I wanted something that was sustainable and recyclable. So this paper that we use as packaging, it's recycled and it's recyclable.
Okay.
So we wrap it, and then we use this high quality grosgrain ribbon to make it look like a gift.
Yeah, it's cute as can be, and it really does make sense that all the, the coatings of the boxes and the ink, that's all things that we could avoid.
Yep,
So, all right, so show us how you make it look so pretty, because I don't think I know how to do that.
Okay, so this paper, it comes in a big roll, and we cut it to measurement, and then you stretch it.
Oh, how fun is that?
Which is satisfying.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Oh, I love this. It's sort of like bubble wrap.
Now, this comes like this already?
You
Yep,
make something?
it comes in a big roll, and then we cut it, and then you stretch it out, and then you take the candle.
Did not see that coming. That is really fun.
Yeah, I thought we were going to be cutting this to look like this.
Okay.
Okay, so then you take your candle,
Okay.
and you're going to wrap it this way. You're going to roll into it.
Up and down.
Oh, you want to put it at the end. So here we go.
Okay, so we put it
at the end.
We start
The end here.
standing up at the end. Okay,
Yeah, and then
and wrap.
Wrap it like that. Yep. And then you're going to roll it sideways.
I think I'm failing wrapping.
I was just
one
going to
over
say,
down
this
here.
is a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah.
It's like that wheel. I thought
then
I
go
could do it.
Then what do? Sideways? You roll it sideways?
You know what? She's going to hire us at the mall for gift wrapping in the holidays.
Bia, while we're doing this, I have a question for you. So, are there ways that we can make these candles last longer? Are secrets to
Yeah, teach us about burning and how to make them last.
So when you burn your candle, especially the first burn, you want to let it burn for our candles for about 3 hours. You want that melt pool to reach the full diameter of the candle.
Okay.
Melt pool being the wax?
Being the wax that's melting.
Okay.
Okay, so you want it to reach the edges of the jar. So with our candles, because they are very long lasting, you want that first burn to last at least 3 hours.
Oh.
Okay. If you do less, you might create a tunnel.
I
So
get
you
those
have
all the time.
Yeah, you have to
I
let
do
it
too.
burn.
So the key is
Yes.
the first time.
Yep, the
All right,
first
I
time.
started over again because it was going so poorly for me.
And
Yeah,
Steph,
there you go.
I think I
permission to
learned a
start
lot on
over.
the first wrap.
That's good. Yeah.
All right, I got it the second time. There we go.
Okay.
All right.
Now you got it.
There you go. Do you want my? Can I help you?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I don't need any help.
Oh,
I'll pay you to do that.
This way. Okay. So go with this.
I think your business is safe from us.
Yes.
Yeah, really. We're not going to get
We're
hired.
not going to
Oh my
be
goodness.
taking over.
But that's
But you know,
okay.
I
This is
love this
okay.
because we're in
is
Florida
okay.
and we all want to make sure that we're sustaining our environment here
Okay.
because
Yes.
it is so beautiful.
That's
Okay.
true. It's very important.
Okay, and this
Okay.
is
So
kind
then
of
you take
fancy
the ribbon.
And this
You
ribbon
just
is some
do a
kind of
ribbon.
special biodegradable also?
No, this is just reusable. I mean, you can use a ribbon for so
Okay.
many
Oh,
different
yes.
things,
It'd be
right?
used at my house for the next 10 years.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
I love to save good ribbon. Okay, so then just make
then you
a
just
nice
do a bow.
bow. So tell us
Okay.
about your store. You're in the Rosemary District?
Yeah, we're right down the street in the Rosemary District here in downtown Sarasota. And we have our warehouse where we make all these candles, and we
Yeah.
also wrap them and fulfill all our orders, which, you know, we do wholesale. We're in all Whole Foods markets in Florida. We sell online.
Congratulations.
Thank
That's
you.
really
We
exciting.
sell online and we sell to local boutiques.
Okay, so you'll have to look
Yeah.
for the Bia candles, but it's nice to know
There
that
you
we
go.
can always get them in Whole Foods as well. Did you bring the candle business here to Sarasota, or were you, did you create it here?
So I created the business. I started candle making while I was living in Brazil, and I couldn't find high quality candles there. And then when I moved back to Sarasota, which is where I grew up, I thought, wow, you know, the U.S. has so many options for candles, but I realized that there's a lot of candles that aren't very high quality or
Right.
high performance.
Right.
So that's when we launched here in 2019.
Wonderful. Well, they are absolutely beautiful. I want you to be able to smell what we're smelling, so you will definitely want to look for Bia's candles. Again, you can find them online. You can also find them in Whole Foods. And just know that they're proudly made right here in the Rosemary District in Sarasota. Go to BiaCandleCo.com